Hey everybody, JD here once again. Welcome back to the channel. Not much got done. Been busy doing yard work, doing some stuff, doing some errands. Did get a lot of stuff in the mail. A lot of it has to do with the Street Machine group build that I'm participating in. First of all, I did post a picture of this a couple days ago when I got it in the mail. I got this off of eBay from Alex Evans. It is a 66 Chevelle cowl induction hood that he's offering. I just kind of threw it on the other day. Didn't have a chance to clean it up. Got to do that here pretty soon. I also got some stuff from Iceman Collections for this build. Forgive me, I'm trying to not lose stuff. I got some of his 3D printed intake manifolds, and I believe these are Moroso valve covers. And I also got some ProTech spark plug boots. I can use these on it, and I want to use some on my Oldsmobile that I'm building. I also got for the build from Matthew over at MCV Model Parts. I got a set of steering wheels for various purposes. Very nice. And I also got his set of Kragers and BF Goodrich TAs. I believe he used a version of this on his Mustang build. Looking forward to putting these together, painting the wheels chrome. And Matthew threw in a set of very nice, I believe these are Holley double pumpers. Very nice carburetors. Look at that detail. Those are beautiful. Oops. Got to put it in the film, but I can use those. I think it would look very nice on top of the Iceman Collections manifold. From VCG Resins, I got a set of big block headers, and I got some more carburetors. That's pretty much all for the parts. As far as kits go, I am again a big fan of Japanese cars, JDM cars. This is a Nissan Cedric. I forgot what year it is, but it's a V20E. I think it's a 80s, early 90s car. These are very cool. Got that Fujimi kit. I got a Fujimi Audi 90 Quattro 20 valve. I think it's a 20 valve. I think this has a inline 5 in it. I think I have to do more research. I love Audis. Audis are one of my favorite German companies. More so than Mercedes or BMW. I love these cars. It's also a Fujimi kit. And then another Porsche for the stash. This is a kit that Matt Lucasi said he wanted. This is a Fujimi 69 Porsche 911S. Add this to my Porsche stash. I love Porsches. As far as non-automotive subjects go, I like this style of motorcycle from, I believe this was late 50s, early 60s. This is a Honda. I had to look this up. I just thought it was a very cool looking bike, and I had to go look up some history. It's an RC166, which has a, I think it was a 250cc 6-cylinder engine in it. I was watching some videos, and it sounds like crazy. It just, like, it almost sounds like a Formula 1 car. It just got that high revving scream to it. And it's very cool looking bike. I love this style of bike. I guess some people call it a cafe racer kind of style, but it looks very cool. And then for the non-automotive stuff, kind of anime, kind of sci-fi, I have this very big box for, there was an anime that I watched, or I think I watched a movie called Space Pirate, I can't remember what his name is. Starts with an M. Anyway, this is the Arcadia. I have one ship, Matlock. That's the name of it, Space Pirate Matlock, or something like that. This is another version of the Arcadia. The other one I have is a little bit smaller than this, and it actually has the Jolly Roger is like the front of the ship. It's cool looking. I have it stashed someplace. I don't know if they're the same scale, but they're very cool. So that is my stash for right now. I don't know. I'm going to try and start working on the Chevelle here in a little bit. Next weekend is going to be more yard work, because I have a big lawn, and my ex is coming over again. She came over yesterday to help me with the yard, because she has much more experience at doing yard work and trimming plants, and has all the equipment at her house, and she came over. So I don't know how much I'm going to get done. I've also been working on my F51D for the my club build. I'm trying to figure out how to do the seat belts. I got some Eduard etched metal seat belts that I've never used before, but I'm trying to figure out how to do it. But I hope everybody has a great weekend. And I have for my Chevelle, to add here before in the video, I found, I don't know how it's pronounced. It's like Madeira Maroon is a color that looks close to the one that I popped the picture up of before, the Chevelle with the cowl induction hood, that everyone seemed to really like. I found a color. I googled the name of the color, and a lot of pictures look the same. The cars that came up in the video look the same as that one. So I ordered a bottle of that from Hobby Nut, and hopefully I get that pretty soon. I got some other stuff on order for this car. I haven't got some of it yet, but you know, I've got all the rest of the year, so hopefully I'll be able to get some of it done. But that's it for now. Hope everybody has a great weekend, and we will talk to you later. Bye-bye.